Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. A circle in the xy plane has its center at negative 1, 1. Line T is tangent to this circle at the point 5, negative 4. Which of the following points also lies on line T? Okay, first let me draw a circle and also a tangent line. Just a moment. So circle has been drawn, and now let me draw the tangent line to this circle. Just a moment. Okay, I've drawn the line T, which is tangent to the circle, and so line T is tangent to the circle at the point 5, negative 4. That is a point of tangency is 5, negative 4. And let me draw the radius. Actually, radius is a line segment which connects the center of the circle and a point of the circle. Okay, so this line segment represents the radius of the circle, and the center of the circle is negative 1, positive 1. And always the radius and the tangent drawn to the circle will be perpendicular at the point of intersection. So that is so the radius over here and the tangent line T will intersect at right angle. Okay, now we need the equation of the tangent line T. Once I get the equation of the tangent line T, I can check the points in the given answer choices with that equation and find the point that lies on the line T. Okay, how do I have to get the equation of the tangent line T? So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the slope of the line segment which represents the radius of the circle, because I know the 2 points which connects this line segment, that is the radius. Okay, now let me take the center negative 1, 1 as x1, y1, and this one 5, negative 4 as x2, y2. So when I know the 2 points on the line, there is a formula to find the slope, that is y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Okay, here I'm trying to get the slope of the line segment which represents the radius of the circle. So y2 over here is negative 4, negative, the value of y1 is 1, and x2 is 5, negative, and the value of x1 is negative 1. Okay, then we get m equals to negative 4, negative 1. When I combine them, I'm getting negative 5 divided by 5. Negative times negative will become positive 1. So m equals to negative 5 over 6. Okay, now I got the slope of the line over here, that radius, that is negative 5 over 6. Okay, since the line segment over here, that is radius, and the tangent line T are perpendicular to each other, so we'll be able to get the slope of this line T using the slope of this radius line segment, that is negative 5 over 6. Okay, so the slope of line T, let me write the stuff over here. Slope of line T equals to, so I have to take opposite sign of this slope. So that is, it's negative, so it has to be positive. And also I have to get reciprocal for this 5 over 6, that is 6 over 5. Okay, now I got the slope of line T. So now I can write the equation of line T in slope intercept form, and here we have the slope, that is 6 over 5. Okay, now let me erase this stuff and continue the problem. Now let's get the equation of line T in slope intercept form, that is y equals to mx positive b. Just now we got the slope of line T, that is 6 over 5. So we can plug in the slope 6 over 5 for the slope m times x positive b. Okay, so here still the equation is not complete because there is an unknown constant b which represents the y coordinate of the y-intercept. Okay, now to find the value of b, we have to plug in a point on the line T. We know that this point 5, negative 4 is on the line T. So we can plug in this x coordinate 5 for x over here and y coordinate negative 4 for y over here to get the value of b. Okay, let me plug in, then we get negative 4 equals to 6 over 5 times 5 positive b, then this 5 will cancel out. Negative 4 equals to 6 positive b. Now let me subtract 6 from both sides. When I do so, this 6, negative 6 will cancel out. When I combine negative 4 and negative 6, I am getting negative 10. On the right side, we have b. Okay, now I got the constant b. So now we can plug in the value of value negative 10 for b over here in this equation. Then we get y equals to 6 over 5 times x, negative 10. Okay, now I got the equation of this line T, the tangent line T. Now what we have to do is we have to check the points on the given answer choices with this equation and find the point which lies on line T. Okay, now let me erase all the stuff and continue the problem. So we have the equation of the line T, y equals to 6 over 5 times x and negative 10. This is the equation we got for line T. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider the point in answer choice A, that is 0, 6 over 5. So now what I have to do is I have to plug in this x coordinate 0 for x over here and the y coordinate 6 over 5 for y over here. And okay, let me do it. That is 6 over 5 equals to 6 over 5 times 0, negative 10. So 6 over 5 equals to 6 over 5 times 0 is 0, negative 10. So 6 over 5 equals to negative 10. So we know that 6 over 5 and negative 10 are not equal. So the point given in answer choice A does not satisfy the equation of line T. So the point we have in answer choice A is incorrect. So we can reject answer choice A. Okay, now let me consider the point we have in answer choice B, that is 4, 7. So we have to plug in the x coordinate 4 for x and y coordinate 7 for y. Then I'm getting 7 equals to 6 over 5 times 4, negative 10. So 7 equals to 6 times 4 is 24 divided by 5, negative 10. Okay, now to simplify this one, what I can do is I can multiply this integer by the denominator of the fraction. Whenever I want to do addition or subtraction between a fraction and an integer, I have to multiply the integer by the denominator of the fraction. Once I'm done with this multiplication, I can take this 5 as a common denominator. Then I'm getting 24 negative 50 divided by 5. So 7 equals to, when I simplify this one, I'm getting negative 26 over 5. Clearly, 7 and negative 26 over 5 are not equal. So the point of 4, 7 in answer choice B does not satisfy the equation of line T. So we can reject answer choice B as well. Now we can consider the point in answer choice C, that is 10, 2. Let me write it. Now I'm going to plug in the x coordinate 10 for x and y coordinate 2 for y. Then I'm getting 2 equals to 6 over 5 times 10, negative 10. So here 5 goes into 5 one times and 5 goes into 10 two times. So 2 equals to 6 times 2 is 12, 12 negative 10. So we get 2 equals to 12 negative 10 is 2. Okay, so here it's a true statement because 2 and 2 are equal. So the point we have in answer choice C satisfies the equation of line T. So clearly we have this point 10, 2 on line T. That is the point 10, 2 lies on line T. So the answer, C is the correct answer choice. Anyways, we can verify answer choice D as well. So that is, we can plug in the x coordinate. Let me write the point first, 11, 1. So let me plug in the x coordinate 11 for x and y coordinate 1 for y over here. Then I'm getting 1 equals to 6 over 5 times 11, negative 10. 1 equals to 66 over 5 and negative 10. 1 equals to, let me multiply this integer 10 by the denominator of the fraction 5. Then I'm getting 66 negative 50 over 5. 1 equals to 66 negative 50 is 16 over 5. Clearly 1 and 16 over 5 are not equal. So the point we have an answer choice D does not satisfy the equation of line T. So we can reject the answer choice D as well. Okay, and already we have verified that is a point 10, 2 satisfies the equation of line T. So clearly this point 10, 2 lies on the line T. So the correct answer choice for this question is C.